Chef Jim, Coastal Alabama College. Today we're going to be doing a carrot, pepper, palm tree. And what you're going to need is chef's knife, paring knife, potato peeler, maybe 4 small toothpicks, carrot, pepper, half a potato, and some greens. Okay, and with that, we're going to start with the carrot. So what we're going to do is peel the carrot first. Okay, I'm going to cut this end off so it's level. All right, I'm going to cut a little bit off the top. All right, so with your paring knife, we are going to cut a slant cut and a straight cut behind each one, all the way around. Slant cut, straight cut, pull that out. Slant cut, straight cut, slant cut, straight cut. Now, if you were doing this a day in advance, you can just do the slant cuts, put it in ice water, and it will open up. So you don't have to be doing it that day. Okay, there we have the base for our carrot. So next stage is the actual pepper, and preferably you want a 3-lobe pepper. It's going to give you a better look. So on this side we're going to work and we're going to cut on the stem side. Okay, so what we're going to do is just come in here and cut away and cut that side out. Now, see where the rib is? You've got ribs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut V's into those ribs. We have the beginning of a palm tree top. Now you can get really fancy, put this side down, and you can start cutting little other V's to give it a little bit of shape, give it a little bit of look to the leaf. You can do it any way you want. You go further up, further back. In nature, things are not exactly symmetrical all the time. Okay, so pretty easy. Next stage is we have our base, which is the potato. And what we're going to do is take some romaine or some sort of greens, put it over the top of it, just for decoration. And we're going to put 3 of our toothpicks in, so you make it good and sturdy. Okay, and I'm just going to stab it right into the potato. Okay, there's a look there. With this, we'll put a little palm tree. I have to flatten it down over here. And we'll put this in on top to fasten the pepper in. And there's your carrot palm tree centerpiece. Pretty cool. Great on garnish platters. Very simple to do, very easy to put together.